Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm gonna share with you how you can change your handle or how you can change your username in Bluesky social app. Okay, so this is really gonna short tutorial for you. Just watch the video till the end, then you will learn how to do this. So that's why you not need to go the three line out of left corner on your screen. So this one. So simply click on the three line and scroll down a little bit, then you'll get the option settings. So simply click settings and scroll down. Sorry, you can see the option as a change handle, or you can see it's the change username. So simply click on change handle. So it's beginning they show you your previous, or you can add your handle here again, and then you can see your handle like Ragibnor. I just give this handle to my account. Okay, Ragiv Noor, Bluesky social. Once I click there, already taken because it's my name. So if you want to change again another, then you can try another. So friend, today is no more, and thank you for watching.